Hi, this is Sal from DSI. It's Sunday morning and it means we will speak about another product of the DSI line. Today I would like to review the TOCA AQUA kit. This hydraulic lifting system will deliver saline and lift and elevate the sinus membrane in a perfect dome shape. DSI TOCA AQUA is a good alternative for lateral or osteotomy approaches, safer and far less harmful for the patient with a faster recovery. It also saves you chair time thanks to the cleverly designed and carefully chosen tools inside. Let's take a look. This kit is used to perform Aqua Sinus lifts, while the membrane will be lifted using water pressure with the aqua expanders provided. That's a very nice tool and I will speak about it later. Specially designed burrs prevent sinus membrane perforation, making lifts faster and more predictable. The kit includes a series of crystal reamers with dome-shaped safety tips. These tips channel bone towards the tip of the reamer, creating a barrier between the cutting surface and the sinus membrane. If you prefer manual lifting, hands instruments are included to graft inside the sinus as well. In short, this kit provides all the instruments needed to achieve surgical success with predictable results in Aqua Sinus lifting. If you already have the sinus kit you love and trust and want to upgrade it to the Aqua system, or maybe you plan to use it a lot and you will need the replacement and refills, we have the solutions for you. Sinus reamer crystal kit and water rise system. 4 reamers in a different diameter, used to perforate sinus interior wall. The clever design with the dome shape channel the bone towards the tip of the reamer while drilling, creating a barrier between the cutting surface and the sinus membrane. This is the safest way of drilling inside the sinus area. ALS, also known as Aqua Lift System. This goes after you finish the drilling with the reamer and it's fixed in the sinus interior wall with the ratchet wrench or implant engine. 5 aqua holes, 4 at each side and 1 on the top of the ALS, help to make a safer sinus lifting in very natural dome shape. When used with the handpiece condenser, we recommend staying on low 30 up to 40 RPM. Take a scan of the sinus area to check the distance to the sinus membrane. Select the stopper accordingly and connect it to the guide drill. Drill an osteotomy using the guide drill to the appropriate depth using a slow speed counter-angle. Now you can select the thinnest 2.3 reamer and drill to depth at 800 to 1200 RPM. You can continue gradually increasing the reamer diameter until you achieve the desired osteotomy size. After it's created, thread the Aqua Lift expander into the osteotomy. Using a syringe filled with sterile water and the silicone hose provided, applied pressure within the aqua expander to lift the membrane. Use a grafting syringe and packer provided with the kit to graft inside of the sinus. And yes, you could use the stoppers here as well.